So here are my top 4 dumbbell exercises for legs. So first is goblet squat. So kukuha muna tayo ng weight para mas madali siya i-pick up. Pag ganito, patong nyo siya sa, sa knees and then tsaka nyo siya kukunin. So, ganun pa rin, chest out and then butt out. And then, for beginners, mas maganda na indicator nyo yung ganito na box para makita nyo kung na-hit nyo na ba yung ROM. So, keep nyo yung neutral na position ng upper body. And then, kung gusto naman nyo na mas deep pa yung squat nyo, pwede namang walang indicator. Hanggang sa magdikit yung siko and then yung knees. So next is sumo squat. Ito naman tatargetin niya yung inner thigh natin. So para malaman niyo yung positioning ng feet, from shoulder width, hop ka lang ng isa, and then dapat yung toes mo is pa-outward siya. And then kukuha ka ng dumbbell, mas okay kapag ganito na. And then chest out, butt out, and then maintain nyo sa pagbaba yung neutral position ng upper body. Then dapat magtouch yung sa floor yung dumbbell, and then up. Ganyan. So, ang next natin is Bulgarian split squat. So, paano mag-setup? Upo ka muna. Dapat doon ka sa end. And then, gaganyan mo, extend mo yung legs mo. And then, kung saan nag-end yung feet mo, doon dapat mo ito-place yun. And then, taas mo to. Dapat hindi siya sobrang dikit sa'yo. At least, magbigay ka ng space. And then, tsaka ka kukuha ng dumbbell. And then, lean forward ka. And then, down. Then, up. So, ang last na naman natin for dumbbell is calf raises. So, kukuha ka ng weight, and then, titingkayad ka lang, then, make sure na may squeeze mo yung calf mo pagtaas. Relax. Up. So, ayun yung 4 na dumbbell exercise ko whenever I train legs. So, una ulit is goblet squats, and then Bulgarian split squats, and then sumo squat, and then last is yung calf raises.